What happens when you start eating peanut butter every day? Peanut butter, not only is it a delectable and cost-effective snack, but it also serves as a versatile ingredient in a wide range of recipes. Peanut butter is derived from ground roasted peanuts, which gives it its distinctive flavor and texture. The finest peanut butter contains only two ingredients: roasted peanuts and salt. Those following a vegetarian diet often rely on peanut butter as a source of protein and healthy fats. Before we proceed, it is important to note that all information provided in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Now, let's delve into the 10 remarkable benefits of regularly consuming peanut butter. Number 1. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. Peanut butter is packed with essential nutrients such as copper, phosphorus, and manganese. Additionally, it provides significant amounts of potassium and zinc. Peanut butter's high niacin content is particularly beneficial as it aids in elevating our body's niacin levels. Niacin plays a crucial role in various biological processes, including energy production from carbohydrates and fats. Moreover, it contributes to maintaining healthy nerve function and reducing inflammation associated with acne lesions, promoting clear and healthy skin. Thiamine, another vital nutrient found in peanut butter, is present in substantial quantities, with 1 ounce serving containing more than half of the recommended dietary allowance for adults over 51 years old. Thiamine is essential for muscle growth and development. Furthermore, peanut butter serves as a valuable source of iron. Iron is responsible for facilitating the transportation of oxygen in the blood and converting food into energy. Insufficient iron intake can lead to anemia, resulting in symptoms such as fatigue, shortness of breath, and headaches. Fortunately, just 1 tablespoon of peanut butter contains approximately 1 milligram of iron, contributing to around 5% of the daily recommended value for both men and women. Number 2. High in protein. Peanut butter serves as an excellent source of protein, with 1 serving providing approximately 7 grams. Peanut butter stands out with a remarkable protein source because it contains all essential amino acids. Amino acids are the fundamental building blocks of proteins, necessary for muscle tissue growth and cellular repair following exercise, stress, or injury. The abundant protein content in peanut butter plays a significant role in muscle development. A study conducted by the University of Toronto demonstrated that individuals who regularly consumed peanut butter experienced a 4% increase in muscle mass compared to those who did not include it in their diet. By incorporating peanut butter into your meals, you can capitalize on its high protein content to promote muscle growth and repair. Number 3. High in healthy fats. Moving on to the third benefit, peanut butter is not just an addition to the American diet, also a composition of healthy fats. These fats play a crucial role in reducing cholesterol levels and minimizing the risk of heart disease. According to the dietary guidelines, the recommended daily intake of fat for adults ranges from 20 to 35% of total calories. For instance, if you follow a 2,000-calorie diet, you should aim to consume approximately 65 to 100 grams of fat per day. By incorporating this into your diet, you can enjoy the advantages of these healthy fats and support your overall cardiovascular well-being. Number 4. Rich in antioxidants. Peanut butter is a rich source of antioxidants, which play a vital role in reducing the risk of cancer. Peanut butter contains potent antioxidants such as resveratrol and quercetin. These compounds actively combat free radicals within your body, safeguarding healthy cells from potential damage. To maximize the health benefits derived from peanut butter, it is advisable to select a brand that does not contain hydrogenated fats or oils. Hydrogenated fats are created by adding hydrogen to vegetable oils, resulting in a solid state at room temperature. Certain brands of peanut butter utilize hydrogenated fats to prevent oil separation. However, it is important to note that these types of fats can have adverse effects on cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. If you have high cholesterol or heart disease, it is best to limit your consumption of hydrogenated fats as much as possible to maintain optimal health. Number 5. Low in carbs. Peanut butter has long been recognized as one of the favored low-carbohydrate snacks available in the market. It was once believed that peanut butter could aid in weight loss due to its high protein content and low carbohydrate count. While this belief may not be entirely accurate, peanut butter remains a favorable choice for individuals seeking to limit their carbohydrate intake. The carbohydrate content in peanut butter varies depending on the type and quantity you consume. A serving size of 2 tablespoons typically contains 10 grams of total carbohydrates, with 5 grams of fiber. This means that the net carbohydrate count is only 5 grams. If you're finding our video informative so far, we encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you won't miss out on our future educational videos. Number 6. Manages blood sugar levels. Peanut butter has been proven to aid in regulating blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion and preventing sudden spikes after meals. The protein present in peanut butter provides amino acids that are converted into glucose, serving as a source of energy for the body. Consequently, consuming peanut butter can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent hypoglycemia. Number 7. Aids in weight loss when eaten in moderation. Peanut butter can assist in weight loss when consumed in moderation. The primary reason behind its weight loss benefits is its abundance of monounsaturated fats, which help in keeping you satiated for longer durations. The fiber present in peanut butter can also contribute to weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness, facilitating better control over food intake throughout the day and reducing the likelihood of overeating during meals. Notably, a study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association revealed that individuals who consumed peanut butter before bedtime consumed fewer calories the following day compared to those who did not. With a wide variety of peanut butter options available, it is effortless to find one that aligns with your dietary preferences and lifestyle. Remember to examine the nutrition label of each brand and select the one that suits your taste preferences the most. Number 8. Boosts energy and mood. Eating peanut butter can boost both energy and mood. This energy boost may be attributed to its impact on blood sugar levels. Additionally, consuming peanut butter has been associated with lower depression rates. In a study, individuals who ate peanuts 3 times a week were 50% less likely to develop depression compared to those who didn't consume them at all. The researchers hypothesized that this effect could be attributed to the presence of phenolics, antioxidants found in peanuts. Phenolics possess anti-inflammatory properties that could potentially alleviate depression symptoms. Moreover, peanut butter contains a sufficient amount of thiamine, which aids in converting carbohydrates into energy for the body's cells to utilize as fuel. Insufficient thiamine levels can result in daytime fatigue or irritability. Number 9. Boosts heart health. Peanut butter contains unsaturated fats that can effectively lower levels of bad cholesterol. Moreover, it includes essential amino acids such as arginine and tryptophan, which contribute to improved blood flow and reduced inflammation within the body. Arginine, in particular, aids in relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. Additionally, peanut butter contains resveratrol, an antioxidant compound also found in red wine. Resveratrol not only helps lower blood pressure but also increases blood flow to the heart muscles. Another beneficial component of peanut butter is vitamin E, which has the potential to decrease plaque accumulation in arteries by inhibiting the oxidation of LDL or bad cholesterol particles. Number 10. May reduce the risk of breast cancer. Peanut butter has the potential to reduce the risk of breast cancer. The significant vitamin E content in peanut butter offers protection against colon cancer by preventing cellular damage caused by free radicals in the digestive tract. Free radicals are formed through the interaction of oxygen with other molecules over time, as well as inhalation of polluted air into the lungs. Peanut butter is commonly enjoyed on bread or crackers as a sandwich filling, but it can also enhance the flavor of various recipes, including cookies, cakes, and ice cream. Although peanut butter is calorie-dense, it provides a range of nutritional benefits. It is an excellent source of plant-based protein, while also meeting your iron and magnesium needs, among others. Additionally, there are numerous affordable brands available in the market. Thus, if you're seeking a healthy snack between meals, peanut butter can be a suitable choice. If you have any doubts about peanut butter, I hope these information in this video useful for you. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.